NinjaTrader is equipped with over 100 free pre-built indicators to aid in your technical analysis of the markets. Indicators can be applied to NinjaTrader charts, the Superdome, and the Market Analyzer. In Chester Keltner's 1960s book, How to Make Money in Commodities, Keltner Channels first appeared in the world of technical analysis. This trend-following indicator is used to identify reversals via channel breakouts and channel direction. It can also be used to identify overbought and oversold conditions. Unlike Bollinger Bands, a channel indicator based on standard deviation, Keltner Channels use the average true range or ATR of an instrument. The Keltner channel plots three lines: the midline, the upper band, and the lower band. At the indicator's core is the midline, which defaults to a 10-period simple moving average. The upper and lower bands offset the SMA by the difference between the high and low of the previous bars. This difference is the average true range, as previously referenced. The offset multiplier for Keltner Channels defaults to 1.5 in NinjaTrader. An offset multiplier of 1.5 produces upper and lower bands plotted at 1.5 times the instrument's previous bar average true range. Offset and SMA period values are both configurable from the Indicator Properties menu. A higher offset multiplier value will result in wider bands, while a lower value will result in narrower bands. The ideal settings for this indicator will depend greatly on the instrument and time frame Keltner channels are applied to. Tweaking the indicator's settings to meet your unique needs is recommended. Many traders watch for price action to breach Keltner channels as a signal for possible directional moves. A price breach above the upper channel typically symbolizes strong buying power in the market, and a dip below the lower channel can be interpreted as strong selling power. Generally, price action should trade near the upper band in an upward trending market and near the lower band in a downward trending market. From this chart, we can clearly see how channel breaches determine short-term market trend and potential areas for entries and exits. Interested in learning more about all the free tools offered by NinjaTrader? Download NinjaTrader today for free unlimited use with futures and forex data.